All right, today we're going to bring an electrical burner. Now it's very simple to plug and play pretty much. And then you got a minimum to maximum on this one, if you guys can see. Right now it's off, it's on the top, but the maximum is all the way here in the back. So we are going to fry some stuff on here. This is perfect. It's non-slip. This is like made a silicone cover. And it says cautions, hot surface, so be careful. All right, today we're gonna make donuts. We're gonna make donuts out of fryer, of the air, little fryer that we have in our heating area too. Just see, right now we're extremely getting hot. We're moving to level 5 right now, and you can see the center where it actually heats up right around this area right now. But we are gonna put our pot and start getting our oil up and hot. All right, and this is gonna take off real quick. So this thing, after a certain temperature, because it has a safety mechanism, it automatically shuts off. All right, but that means it's just keeping this temperature at certain degrees. All right, it won't go higher than certain degrees, so in case any fires or anything like that, it's a great safety mechanism. But it does fry stuff. So if you guys can see, I am frying with it, and it's coming out really good. And right now it's gonna turn on as soon as the temperatures drop. So, which is fine. You can always initialize it to back off and on, and it'll automatically turn on. So we're gonna flip them again. I like to flip them. Let's go ahead and take it out so you guys can see it flipping. Oil drops all the way to the bottom. I like to flip them. Get both sides. So I just did one right now in sugar. We're gonna do the other ones too.